Licenses for tree service business. Did you know you need more than one license to start a tree service? In addition to any tree service certifications, a tree service requires business licensing, whether a home, online, mobile, or brick and mortar. In this video, we'll break down the essential licenses required. 1. First, select entity business structure, ownership type structure. Select from sole proprietor, partnership, corporation, or LLC. Save on taxes with LLC treated as S-Corp. Each entity requires a certificate. For example, LLC requires an official LLC certificate. Then obtain a general business license. It's the foundation for running your tree service legally. Obtain certificates at bizname.com. New Mexico, Hawaii, South Dakota, and West Virginia impose sales taxes on services, food, and merchandise sales. If you are in one of these states, you need a seller's permit. If you want to buy tree service materials, inventory, tools, food, merchandise, and supplies from a wholesaler tax-free, you need a seller's permit, resale certificate. Obtain resale licenses at bizname.com. 4. All businesses can use an EIN employer ID, especially if it is an employer, partnership, LLC, or corp. Employers need a federal EIN and a state EIN. Obtain EINs at bizname.com. Starting a tree trimming service can be rewarding, but requires specific licenses. Ensuring compliance is crucial for the longevity and success of your business. In some states, you will also need a professional arborous certification. This shows clients you have the necessary skills and knowledge to manage their trees safely and effectively. A contractor's license might be required. This license is particularly important if you plan to offer additional services like landscaping or construction. Don't forget about insurance. Liability insurance protects you and your clients in case of accidents or damage during tree trimming operations. Workers' compensation insurance is another essential. If you have employees, this protects you from potential claims due to work-related injuries. You should also be aware of environmental regulations. Some areas have specific rules about tree trimming to protect local ecosystems. Lastly, keep your licenses and certifications up to date. Regularly review the expiry dates and renew them on time to avoid any legal issues. Happy tree trimming service planning! If you are benefiting from this video, please click thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the like button and subscribe for more. Tree trimming service is a lucrative business. Register today. Obtain all licenses at bizname.com. Bizname.com since 1999. Fast, affordable, and professional. bizname.com.